In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Coinbase application, then go to the bottom and select on this option that does say transfer. Then go ahead and select on send crypto. Then what we need to do is we need to go ahead and input the Phantom Wallet address. So now let's go ahead and open up Phantom Wallet to get our address. All right, once you're on Phantom Wallet, the next thing you want to do is you want to press on the top left and select on your icon like so. Then once you're here, go ahead and select on this pen icon like so. Then go ahead and select on account address. And then over here, you want to go ahead and make sure you copy your Solana address. So this one right over here. So let's go ahead and copy it to our clipboard like so. And once you went ahead and got your Solana address, then you can go ahead and go back to Coinbase like so, and then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and paste in your wallet address here and make sure that Solana is selected. So again, this will only work if you did copy the Solana address, which we did do in the video. So let's go ahead and select on Solana, and from here go ahead and enter how much Solana you would like to send. You can go ahead and max out the amount of Solana you want to send. So yeah, once you're done with that, it is going to give you a brief overview of this entire transaction. It is going to tell you the send time, the network, and how much. It will also give you a fee as well. So all you need to do now is you need to go ahead and press on send now. However, if it's your first time ever sending Solana to this particular wallet address, then you may need to do some confirmations, entering codes and stuff like that. And that is how to transfer Solana using Coinbase. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.